We often think of wealth as merely physical currency, something used to buy material possessions. But in reality, wealth goes much deeper. It's a powerful spiritual energy. When we understand abundance as a divine, flowing force, we can align ourselves with its higher vibration and consciously harness its power. In this video, I'll introduce a new way to view money, not just as paper bills or digital figures, but as a form of positive energy. Drawing inspiration from masters like Bob Proctor, we'll explore how shifting our perception of wealth to a more spiritual one can help us align with its divine flow and unlock its incredible potential in our lives. By seeing wealth as a spiritual force, you'll gain the missing key to true abundance, prosperity, and affluence. Are you ready to transform your relationship with wealth? Let's dive in and view money in a whole new light. Money is energy, not just currency. Everything physical is made of energy vibrating at different frequencies, and abundance is no different. The paper bills and coins we use are just dense expressions of a more subtle stream of financial energy. While these physical forms help direct the flow, they are not the flow itself. Just as love can be expressed in many ways beyond physical gestures, prosperity can take many forms: checks, stocks, investments, property, discounts, scholarships, and even digital assets like crypto and NFTs. Don't limit abundance to its physical representation. Start seeing wealth as an energetic current that flows through your life. While you might temporarily exchange portions of this energy through bank transactions or digital assets, the deeper flow of financial energy is always moving, cycling endlessly. Open yourself up to understanding and directing this energy, which is constantly vibrating beneath the surface. The illusion of scarcity. The universe operates in a state of infinite abundance. Scarcity only arises from limited perceptions. In reality, there is more than enough financial energy to sustain everyone on the planet. The belief in a shortage of money comes from observing people who are struggling on a physical level, but the true cause is often a vibrational misalignment, not a lack of energy. Recognize that abundance is all around and within you right now. There is no real scarcity, only your perception of it. The universe reflects back whatever beliefs you hold about wealth, whether it's a sense of lack or abundance. You realign your thinking with the truth. Prosperity is constantly flowing into your life. Open yourself up to receiving it. Resonating with wealth's higher vibration. Since abundance is energy, you naturally attracted by resonating at a higher frequency. However, most people only focus on the dense, physical aspect of wealth, ignoring its divine, intangible flow. This misalignment often leads to financial struggles. Instead, begin to see abundance as a gift from the universe, flowing in response to the value you bring to the world. Rather than simply working for money, get excited about using your unique talents to serve others in meaningful ways. When your work is driven by passion and purpose, you raise your vibration to align with the higher frequency of abundance. In this state, wealth flows to you as sacred energy from the divine. By shifting your perspective and resonating with wealth on a higher level, you open the floodgates to prosperity and transform your entire experience of abundance. This significant shift in mindset attracts financial abundance quickly. By reprogramming your beliefs and seeing wealth as a higher form of energy, you can unlock its full potential. Think of it as light streaming to you from the cosmos, channeled through purposeful action. This flow finances your dreams and aligns you with abundance's spiritual essence. Wealth's divine purpose. To fully understand wealth, we need to recognize its divine purpose. Abundance was created to support meaningful growth. At its highest level, wealth fuels evolution physically, through advancements in science, medicine, and technology; emotionally, through experiences that expand consciousness; and spiritually, by funding paths toward enlightenment. Its sacred purpose is to provide the resources needed to raise humanity's collective vibration. Wealth is the energetic current that supports individuals in awakening and uplifting the world. To align with this divine purpose, direct your flow of abundance toward worthy causes and individuals who are bringing enlightened value to the world. Can you hear abundance's spiritual call? It wants to flow through you to light the way for humanity's growth. But first, you must raise your own energy. Ask yourself, how can I channel wealth's energy toward spiritual evolution? When you align with this higher purpose, both your wealth and your sense of purpose will grow. When you consciously direct wealth toward uplifting and transformative endeavors, you tap into the true potential of abundance. This act of purposeful giving not only benefits those around you, but also elevates your own energy. By supporting individuals, causes, or projects that align with spiritual growth and collective evolution, you create a powerful flow of energy that nurtures both the giver and the receiver. This alignment brings a deeper sense of fulfillment, knowing that your resources are contributing to something greater than yourself. Raising your own energy is key to becoming a clear channel for this flow. It's about cultivating a mindset of openness and trust, releasing any fears or limiting beliefs around scarcity. As you elevate your vibration, you naturally attract more opportunities and resources. Wealth begins to show up in unexpected ways because you are in harmony with the energy of abundance. When you let go of attachment to specific outcomes and instead focus on the positive impact your wealth can create, the universe responds by amplifying your capacity to give and receive. The more you align with this spiritual purpose, the more your financial flow will mirror it. You'll notice that as you direct wealth toward higher causes, your own prosperity expands effortlessly. The key is to stay connected to your purpose and continue to ask, how can I serve? Unlock wealth in 90 days with the wisdom of a 7,000-year-old wizard. The Wealth Wizard's Secrets to be Rich. Achieving wealth in 90 days helps you overcome limiting beliefs, reprogram your mind, and set clear goals. This transformative guide, packed with motivational stories and practical exercises, is your path to prosperity. Get it now for the promotional price, available only today. Click on the pinned comment link and start your journey to wealth now. In doing so, you transform not only your relationship with wealth, but also your ability to inspire change, creating a lasting legacy that contributes to the awakening and growth of humanity. Harmonizing with prosperity's rhythms. Flow with the natural rhythms of abundance instead of chasing arbitrary financial goals. Just as life has cycles and seasons, so does wealth. Sometimes prosperity pours in abundantly, and other times it is more scarce. Understand that both phases are part of a larger divine order. Universal laws teach us to accept and not resist these cycles. Instead of panicking during a downturn, use the time to rest, reassess, and plan. When abundance returns, you'll be ready to flow with it more powerfully. Think of wealth as a friend and partner, here to support your inspired dreams. When treated with respect, it will return manifold blessings. If you're facing financial challenges now, use this moment to work on your inner vibration and purpose. There you have it, a new paradigm for understanding, attracting, and channeling abundance as the spiritual energy it truly is. You are not meant to struggle and chase after money. You are meant to resonate with wealth's higher vibration, seeing it as a light flowing to you from the source to ignite human evolution. Commit to this journey fully, without rigid attachment to specific sums. Release old beliefs about wealth being limited to paper bills or numbers on a screen. The spiritual energy component. Let's go deeper. By understanding wealth's divine essence, you gain priceless wisdom on how to use it consciously as a miraculous, creative force for uplifting humanity. You are not meant to chase wealth out of fear or lack. You are meant to channel it from a place of purpose, passion, and service. The key is shifting from neediness to openness. Needy grasping for wealth pushes it away, but calm receptivity allows the universe to deliver the financial fuel for your inspired actions. Imagine your body as a clear, healthy vessel through which wealth flows effortlessly. Are your inner channels open and clear, or blocked by fears and limiting beliefs? Clear out mental and emotional congestion that may be blocking your prosperity. Replace feelings of scarcity and unworthiness with trust in the universe's provision. You are already worthy, and your brilliance deserves abundant support. Visualize abundance as light flowing through you toward enlightened purposes. Hold on to this image often. You are an open channel for infinite financial energy, ready to bless humanity. The rest unfolds naturally in divine order. Honor wealth's true value. One powerful way to shift your perspective on abundance is to honor its true value deeply. Reflect on all the miraculous ways wealth has elevated humanity when used for enlightened purposes. Money has funded scientific breakthroughs, cured diseases, improved lives, and illuminated nature's mysteries. It has financed educational institutions, spread knowledge, and supported monumental works of art, music, and literature. Wealth has empowered entrepreneurs, spiritual teachers, and communities dedicated to serving humanity. Abundance, when channeled for its highest use, is a divine gift. It propels the expansion of consciousness, creativity, and spirituality. Contemplate this and respect wealth for its role in human evolution. Then, harness it wisely and reverently, unlocking wealth's evolutionary potential. Abundance yearns to be used for spiritual growth, but often it gets funneled toward lesser purposes like excessive consumption, greed, and control. This happens because society tends to associate wealth with lower vibrational desires rather than higher evolutionary aims. You can help redirect the flow of abundance by transforming your own relationship with it. Dedicate your wealth toward enlightened causes and encourage others to do the same. Imagine a world where all prosperity is directed toward loving, purposeful causes funding healthcare, education, environmental restoration, the arts, and spiritual communities. This is the sacred potential within wealth, waiting to be activated. You have the power to channel abundance toward its divine role, one wise choice at a time. Every dollar you direct toward uplifting humanity primes the pump for more monetary energy to flow toward enlightened purposes. True prosperity isn't about how much wealth you have, but about how well it is used. Even small amounts, when directed toward noble causes, can bless the world enormously. Be a conscious steward of abundance. To be a responsible steward of abundance, first clean up any careless financial habits that don't align with your deepest values. Let go of relationships with money based on greed or fear. Make purchases consciously, thinking about true needs rather than fleeting wants. Then, dedicate portions of your income toward meaningful causes, whether it's savings, investments, education, or charity. See wealth as energy to apply with purpose, not just a tool for personal gain. Use it generously to fuel your dreams, which in turn serve the greater good. The more constructively you circulate wealth, the more will flow back to you for positive change. Finally, express gratitude for the abundance you receive. Thank it for providing for your needs and enabling your growth. This practice raises your vibration and attracts even more prosperity into your life. By aligning abundance with its deeper spiritual purpose, you uplift not only your own life but humanity as a whole. Every dollar spent with intention can create profound positive change. The future of wealth. Humanity is on the brink of a major transition where abundance will flow in new, enlightened ways. Two key trends will shape this future. 1. Digital currencies and decentralized finance. These innovations will allow wealth to flow more directly, reducing the need for costly intermediaries. People worldwide will be able to exchange value seamlessly, bypassing traditional, centralized gatekeepers. This shift will democratize prosperity, making it more accessible to everyone. 2. Expanding philanthropy. As more individuals awaken to spiritual wisdom, large amounts of wealth will be dedicated to conscious evolution. Billions of dollars will circulate toward causes that promote meaningful, positive change, rapidly accelerating humanity's progress. Soon, abundance will flow through decentralized networks, funding global awakening at an incredible pace. However, pioneers like you will lead the way by reimagining wealth as sacred energy. The outdated view of prosperity as mere material currency leads to struggle and lack. But the emerging paradigm understands wealth as spiritual energy, a force flowing for conscious evolution. Use this abundance as a divine tool to fund your inspired purpose and philanthropic vision. Recognizing wealth's spiritual nature liberates your finances into a state of effortless abundance, allowing prosperity to flow to you automatically. You become a channel for wealth's higher purpose. When you align with this flow of abundance, you begin to see wealth as a tool for creating positive change rather than just a means of personal gain. This shift in perspective allows you to attract resources naturally, without the stress of chasing money or constantly worrying about finances. Instead of feeling like wealth is something you need to control or accumulate, you begin to trust in its continuous flow, knowing that it supports your highest purpose. As you use your resources to fund projects and causes that reflect your deepest values, you amplify the energy of abundance. Every investment made toward growth, awareness, and uplifting others returns to you in ways that go beyond material wealth. The more you channel wealth toward meaningful purposes, the more you strengthen your connection with its divine flow, ensuring that it continues to circulate back into your life. In this process, you become a steward of conscious wealth. Your role is not to hoard or control abundance, but to guide it toward initiatives that contribute to the greater good. This creates a ripple effect, where your inspired actions encourage others to view and use wealth similarly. Together, this collective shift helps raise humanity's vibration, transforming wealth into a powerful force for global evolution and well-being. Start seeing abundance as creative spiritual energy flowing through you, not just as coins and bills. Trust in the infinite supply of this energy, supporting your personal growth and the realization of your dreams. Align yourself with wealth's divine role in fueling progress, raising awareness, and empowering inspired visions to uplift our world. When you embrace abundance as a flow of spiritual energy, you begin to see that wealth is limitless and ever-present. It's no longer something external to chase, but a force that you can access by aligning with its higher purpose. This shift in perception frees you from the fear of scarcity and opens you to the realization that the universe is constantly supporting your growth and dreams. The more you trust in this infinite flow, the more you will see opportunities and resources appearing effortlessly, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your purpose. As you align with this energy, you become a co-creator of a greater vision. Wealth, in its purest form, becomes a tool for expanding consciousness, raising awareness, and contributing to the evolution of humanity. By using your resources to support causes that reflect these values, you amplify the impact of your actions. This not only uplifts your personal life but also creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to see wealth as a means for positive collective change. In this way, abundance becomes a powerful agent of transformation, flowing through you to fuel a brighter future for all. Did you learn something from this video? If so, type below "I am blessed with abundance," and I will leave a heart to let you know that your entire financial path is free for you to earn everything you deserve. See you in the next video, my apprentice.